Want to make sure you're using the latest version of Mega. Updating can bring bug fixes, security improvements, and better compatibility. The exact process depends on whether you're using Mega in a browser, on a computer, or on your phone. In this guide, I'll show you how to check and update each one. If you use Mega directly in a web browser, there usually isn't a separate Mega program to install. Start by opening the official Mega website and refresh the page. Your browser will load the latest available web version. If the site behaves strangely, try closing the tab and opening Mega again. For the Mega desktop app, first open the application and look for its version or update information. Depending on the current release, the app may notify you when a newer version is available. If you see an update prompt, follow the instructions to install it. Let the installer finish before reopening the app. If the desktop app doesn't offer an update option, visit Mega's official website and open the download section. Select the version for your operating system and download the latest installer. Before installing, make sure important files have finished syncing, so don't interrupt an active sync if you can avoid it. Once the installer is ready, open it and follow the setup instructions. In many cases, the installer can update the existing installation without requiring you to manually remove it first. After installation finishes, launch Mega again and confirm that your account and sync settings are still available. On Android, open the Google Play Store and search for Mega. If an update button appears, tap it and wait for the installation to complete. If you only see open, your app may already be up to date. Make sure you're checking the official Mega app listing. On iPhone, open the App Store and search for Mega, or check your available app updates. Tap Update if one is available and wait for the process to finish. If there's no update button, the installed version is likely current. It only takes a few seconds to check, and that's how to keep Mega updated. Refresh the web version, check the desktop app, use Mega's official download page when necessary, and update the mobile app through the official app stores. After updating, open Mega and make sure syncing and file access are working normally. You're all set.